So you can have a ring made of silver. Silver is white, but you can coat the silver with, for example, a gold layer. And you have this gold plating.
Hey friends, this is Amit Mulani from Amit Mulani and team, and we are here at Bangkok Gems and Jewellery Show. Right now we are at the stall called Legor, and with me, representative Mr. Roberto from the...
Nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
Same here. So particularly the company is working inside the different kind of the alloys. You can simply read over that it is given that specialized in precious metal science. So definitely if someone want to buy the alloys from them, then definitely they can connect them. So let me just get more information about the company and the product they are dealing in. Mr. Roberto, just I want to know about your company establishment. The company is based from where?
Okay, the company is an Italian company, is 45 years old. We are going to be 50 very soon. We have a branch in Thailand since 2007.
Okay.
So here in Thailand we produce alloy and chemicals because we have two main divisions, chemicals and master alloys. So master alloys from fashion jewelry, so brasses and bronzes, up to gold and silver alloys.
Okay.
Chemicals from, let's say, brasses, copper, up to gold, palladium, rhodium, precious and non-precious. We are also investigating now on industrial plating, so we are moving also on that to diversify our offer.
Okay, so what is exactly this industrial plating?
Industrial plating is are chemical deposition that are basically protecting and coloring the base metal. So you can have a ring made of silver. Silver is white, but you can coat the silver with, for example, a gold layer. And you have this gold plating on the surface. You have a different reason to do that, not only for the color, but also for protection.
Yeah, bilkul. So there are the two things. One is the protection, and second one is
coloring for the color.
Yeah, because when gold is getting pricing high, so at a time people are preferring this kind of the covering.
Exactly. Or just think about the brasses and bronzes for fashion jewelry. The brasses are yellow, but normally in the fashion jewelry they can be coated with a thick layer of gold to make the life of the jewel longer and avoid oxidation.
Okay, and what kind of the analysis going on in your company? Like what exactly your future plans?
No, I mean, for the analysis, if you mean the support to the customer, we are, of course, especially for the chemicals, we have an ICP machine and then we run all the analysis because, you know, when you use plating, you have the bath and when you deposit the metal on the piece, your bath loses efficiency, so you have to replenish the bath. So we help and support the customer by telling them what they have to add to the bath to keep it performing. So this is the things.
So if someone want to know about your products and what exactly you are doing, then they have to connect you. And
would
definitely
be,
in
would
that
be
case,
nice. Me and my team in Thailand that we are welcoming everyone. So of course they can contact us.
Absolutely. And in how many countries we are exporting right now?
No, we are just taking care of Southeast Asia. So from Myanmar and Cambodia down to New Zealand, and then Legor has totally 8 branches around the world, so every branch take care of different territory.
Okay, in India you have the branch?
In India we have the branch in Mumbai, which is a precious alloy, the name. Vicky is the guy, the owner and the guy taking care of this. They are pretty strong, so...
Good hold in the market?
I think yes. For sure SIPSI and for domestic market they are starting because, you know, until now SIPSI were the best areas where to sell, you know, where you have the quantity and the
because
export.
All are the exporters, obviously.
Exactly.
Okay, Mr. Roberto, I just want to know about the different shows you have been participating in the world.
Well, every country, normally the main country we are participating, we are taking care only of this part of the world. So we are going in Bangkok, normally Surabaya, Indonesia, which are the 2 main markets. We are also in Vietnam. These are basically the shows that you have in this area.
Got it. So particularly if someone want to know about the company's different niche production categories, and also you are looking for the different kind of the alloys, then definitely you can connect this particular company. The details are given inside the video, and you can connect particularly for the Southeast Asia market, Mr. Roberto, and definitely his technical team will guide you everything about the particular product category. Thank you so much, Roberto.
Thank you very much.
It's been a pleasure talking with you, and I'm wishing a great luck for you in the future.
Thanks a lot.
God
Thanks
bless
a lot.
you. Thank
Ciao,
you.
thank you. Bye bye.
अगर आप इंडिया से जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट बिजनेस सीखना चाहते हैं तो ज्वाइन कीजिए ऑनलाइन मास्टर कोर्स हिंदी और इंग्लिश में। फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन विजिट amitmulani.com।